Lazy banoffee, after doing it this way, you won't want to do it any other way. In a mixer, let's start with 400 grams of whipped cream mix. Now we'll mix till we get the perfect consistency. Once it's firm, add 200 grams of cream, 395 grams of condensed milk. Six tablespoons of milk powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's beat it all together again. Done, just set the cream aside. On a cutting board, let's cut some banana slices. I'm using Nika bananas, but use whatever banana you like. In a dish, let's spread some of our cream. Now let's crumble some champagne biscuits or use plain biscuits, up to you. Broke about 3 to 4 biscuits, now let's add the banana slices. Now let's spread some dulce de leche over the bananas. After spreading, just repeat the process. When it's smooth, just crumble some biscuits for decoration. This part is optional. Now just chill it in the fridge. Once it's ready, cut and enjoy. Hope you liked it. Try it at home. This was another pobre na cozinha recipe. Big hug! See you next time and bye.